speed and strength of 5 Roman gods as you conquer Pantheon.
Hey Coaster Group fans, Tim here with Mark.
What's up,
here
guys?
at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg, to ride the all-new Pantheon. 4 launches. Here's our first one. Wow.
Lateral air time.
This is crazy. Wow, the view of the Rhine River.
Oh, that's a 10 positives.
Wow!
Whoa.
Oh my God, that was amazing.
That's crazy, guys.
Get out to Busch Gardens, Williamsburg, and ride Pantheon. Oh my God.
Guys, this is a top Intamin coaster. Oh my God, it's awesome. Wow. The swing launch is honestly my favorite part. It's like wild, the backwards part. I don't even know.
That's quite wow. Over the top of
Welcome
the
back.
Rhine River.
Once the ride comes to a complete stop,